HubSpot, and it really is an all-in-one platform, but let's try to break it down, how it can fit into your business and a few of its primary capabilities.
You know, there's the traditional website marketing hub where you get their blog, or you can use your own blog, landing pages, emails, automations, and workflows. They've also launched a new CMS hub, which, you know, is kind of not necessarily a replacement, but an addition, an enhancement to that piece. You know, some of the pieces I assume are going to substitute, but it's really an enhancement for the marketing hub. And then there's the sales hub where you've got a CRM and the deal pipeline and various features for your sales team. And then a service hub for customer service and ticketing.
And all of those are essentially running with the same, off of a common database, right? So as you're bringing people through your marketing program and they convert and become leads and they're nurtured along through sales programs, and then they move over into support, it's all integrated. You have the complete history from the CRM of that customer.